Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start maybe with the customization. Let's enter the settings and here in this left section we have to tap on the display. Now let's localize eye comfort and first of all let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish and the colors are a little bit washed out. It is because that your device applies the blue light filter which will make it easier to look at the screen in the dim light. So by using the switcher you can make it cooler, so it is, I would say, almost invisible, and warmer by going to the right. It's up to you which option you prefer. You can also schedule that feature, however I have no idea why right now we cannot. Alright, so we have to first of all turn off this option because this option is, I would say, manual, right? So you have to tap on it manually, turn it on or off. But we can schedule that feature, and as you can see we can pick the start time just by swiping and the end time also by swiping. Tap on OK. And of course your device will apply those hours. Of course the screen is yellow right now because we are between the start and the end time. So it's up to you which option you prefer to use. Now I can show you much faster access to this feature. So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and simply tap on the eye comfort. Of course it is turned on right now, so just tap on it to turn it off, and if you want to turn on, just tap on it again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.